Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. In today's video, I wanted to talk about blockchain, both public and private. I read an article the other day that says blockchain will replace existing technology. When checking social media online, there seems to be a bullish sentiment every time there's news of some large company looking into blockchain or getting into developing for blockchain. Many folks believe things like these will trigger some sort of bull run in the crypto market. While I would like nothing more than another bull run that we saw at the end of last year, I'd be very cautious to read news like that as some sort of positive signal. While cryptocurrency goes hand in hand with blockchain technology, blockchain technology does not necessarily go hand in hand with cryptocurrency. Today there's an article on Toshi Times, and I'll put a link in the description below about how Alibaba and IBM lead the way for new blockchain patents. At first thought, it doesn't seem to make sense that on why patent a blockchain technology. But if you look at things from a business perspective, it does make sense to me. While the crypto market space is filled with ICOs and projects looking to build decentralized platforms for the public, businesses which are bound by regulatory compliance are not able to move their data to a public blockchain, not at least at this moment in time. For example, HIPAA requires businesses to have a compliant business associate contract with a cloud service provider in order to store their data there. With a public blockchain, that is not possible to have such an agreement in place. This is not to say the technology is not secure, it's just not compliant with regulations. So I believe companies like Alibaba and IBM might actually be developing products for private blockchains. Imagine a blockchain in a box sort of product where a business can simplify their hardware infrastructure, network infrastructure, and still have the redundancy and security of a blockchain. For example, apps developed on a blockchain, both private or public, come with the following infrastructure benefits. One, they're not subjected to ransomware, which is a big problem amongst especially small businesses, even large ones. Data duplication, without the need for configuration of network storage or site-to-site VPNs. And then, of course, with data duplication, you have disaster recovery. The hardware infrastructure is simplified and inexpensive, opposed to, having storage devices, compute nodes, and the networking that is currently implemented with a lot of businesses to have that kind of redundancy. With blockchain, you can also even have 100% uptime. For example, with different blockchains, when they update their software and when they do their forks, the network is not taken down for maintenance, and transactions can still keep going on, and the software for the blockchain can still be updated. And these are just a few benefits that blockchain technology can bring to business. This can be done without the need for a public blockchain. That's not to say the public blockchains have no purpose. They certainly do. This is just to say that there will be private blockchain offerings in the years to come that may make more sense for business due to the desire to control their data, or because regulatory compliance has not caught up to allow certain industries to use public blockchains for their data. I, for one, I'm personally fascinated to see where all this will go. Certainly, currency or stores of value is one of the best use cases for a public decentralized blockchain, but there are use cases where a private blockchain makes more sense. That's all I have for this video. Please let me know what your thoughts in the comments below, and thank you for watching.